Okay, first of all, close this circuit breaker, and then remove this emergency stop button, and then first pull out this red emergency stop button. Okay, make sure your turning knob is on the 0 position. Make sure the readings are 0, and it's absolutely 0 here. 别人的手摁。Okay, then press this green start button. Now the readings are increasing, and the readings are here. Make sure it shows 50 hertz. Then you're ready to go. Now you can press this forward run button. You can see it's actually running. Now press this forward stop button. It stops. Same wise, you can use this reverse run and stop. Okay. If you want to use this foot pedal, just press it, and it runs. Okay. Now, if you would like to change the direction, it runs. You just push that button and press the pedal. Now it turns reversely.